A credit card application can be declined for several reasons, and understanding these reasons is crucial to taking the next steps. A primary reason for declination is a low credit score, as credit card providers require a minimum score to approve an application. According to the FICO scoring model, a good credit score starts at 670. Another reason for declination is limited credit history, which makes it difficult for credit providers to assess one's ability to manage debt. A low income can also lead to declination, as credit card providers may view low-income earners as higher risks for missing monthly repayments. Age requirements are also a factor, as applicants under the age of 18 are typically denied. Additionally, errors in the application can lead to declination, as credit card providers require accurate information to determine eligibility. To address a declined credit card application, it is essential to first inquire with the credit card issuer about the reason for the declination. Depending on the reason, there are several steps that can be taken. For instance, if the reason is a low credit score, it can be improved by avoiding late payments, keeping credit utilization below 30%, and paying off debt. Building a credit history can be achieved by applying for credit cards specifically designed for individuals with limited credit history. If an error was made in the application, it can be resubmitted with the corrections. For applicants under the age of 18, an alternative option is to have a parent apply for the card and be added as an authorized user. Finally, if low income is the reason for declination, efforts can be made to increase income status. By understanding the reasons for declination and taking the necessary steps, individuals can improve their chances of being approved for a credit card in the future.